come run my cheeky chores with me. And if you're like, what the frick is a cheeky chore? A cheeky chore is basically what some call errands, but I cannot possibly justify calling errands because it includes things like going to Starbucks, buying myself flowers, and of course a Target ride. I like to be a little naughty and live on the wild side, so cheeky chore just felt right. Let's go. I forgot to say on today's cheeky chore list is going to Starbucks because I'm literally so tired. I need some energy. Getting myself flowers from Trader Joe's and seeing what else is there, and then going to Target because I got a little list. It's also violently raining outside, so yeah. All right, let's go. It's literally raining so much. There she is. Okay, I'm just gonna put what I get on the screen. The cold foam like melted into the drink before I can get it, but it's literally the best if you like cold brew. You have to try this drink. Feel myself coming back to life. The epitome of me right now. Yay! Hee 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 hee, here we go. Let's go. Stop, these are actually so cute and we don't have any other moons. Yeah. Okay, we need one of these and it's so cute because it's oval. So I think I'm gonna get that. I just can't help myself. I need this for all my workout clothes in my closet. This is so cute. I love Valentine's Day. I really need hangers, but they don't have the color that we use, and I think it would drive me nuts having a different color mixed with our white ones, so. All right, you guys, that was way too freaking loud. Literally drenched from the rain. Finished my cheeky chores. I love a cheeky chore moment. Time to go home and have dinner with my husband.